Good morning, students. How are you all? I believe you are healthy and staying at home with your parents safely. Today, in our English class, we are going to learn about pronouns. So let's start. Now, students, think about one of your friends. Like, for example, let me think about one of my friends. Let's say Hari. So, if I have to tell you something about Hari, how will I say it? Hari is absent because Hari is ill. Hari likes vegetables. Hari likes fruits. Well, I think something is wrong with the sentence, isn't it? I am repeating Hari again and again. Well, I think I can actually do without the repetition. How? Well, I can say Hari is absent because he is ill. He likes vegetables and fruits. I think this sounds better, isn't it? So, we have used the word he in place of Hari. Now, what is this word? This word is a pronoun. Now, what are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. So, he over here is a pronoun. So, students, while learning about pronouns, we need to keep certain points in our mind. For example, let's take a look at these three main points. A pronoun takes the same position as a noun in a sentence. So, like in our previous example, we saw that in place of Hari, we used he. So, he being a pronoun took the same position as a noun in a sentence. Then, like a noun, a pronoun also plays the role of a subject or object in the sentence. A pronoun should also agree with the verb in the sentence, both in gender and number. This we'll see in the example below. Now over here we have Shalini. Shalini is the name of a girl. So Shalini is my best friend. She is a great answer. So we have used she because we are talking about a girl over here. So a pronoun should agree with the verb in the sentence, both in gender and number. So in number, we are talking about a single female, a single girl. So here we've used she. So in the second example, we're talking about a boy. Again, that is a single person. So Shubham lives in my neighborhood. He loves to play football. I hope this is clear, children. So there are 8 kinds of pronoun. Let's take a look. Personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, distributive pronoun, interrogative pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, and relative pronoun. Now, what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are those that refer or substitute for the proper name of a person or thing. So, each of the personal pronouns show us the grammatical person, gender, number, and case of the noun it replaces. So we use the personal pronouns depending on the number and gender. In terms of number, let's say they can be either singular or plural, and gender, male, female, or neutral. So, as explained, we will use personal pronouns depending on the gender and number. So children, over here, the first example, Ram went to party, he enjoyed it. So he over here is a personal pronoun because it's being used in place of Ram. Now Ram and he both are in singular form. But now if I change it to plural form and let's say I say children went to a party, they enjoyed it. So when the pronoun changes from singular to plural, it changes in accordance with the subject. So if the subject is or the noun is in plural form, the pronoun will also be in accordance with the number or gender in the sentence. Now the next sentence, like Shalini is in the pool, she loves swimming. Now here we are talking about a girl, it's feminine, so she is being used. The pronoun she is being used. Now, for example, now we talk about a boy. For example, Sam over here. Sam is in the pool, he loves swimming. So we are using he in place of Sam. So as the case occurs, if the gender is feminine, we use the female pronoun. If the gender is masculine, we use the masculine pronoun. I hope this is clear to you. So personal pronouns are like I, we, you, she, it, her, them, because they are personal. So in terms of subject, subject is someone who is doing the action, who is responsible for a particular action. And object is who receives that action. So in the sentences below, Lisa likes cat, she has 4 cats. So Lisa is a noun and she over here is a pronoun, which is a subject, because it is Lisa who has 4 cats. So she is the doer. If you take a look at the second example, which is Sharma is a good teacher, she is a good player. So who is doing the action, or who is the doer over here? It's Sharma, he. So he is a subject. Likewise, Lisa likes cat, she likes to stroke them. In this case, object is them, because it is the cats who are receiving those strokes. So it is the cat who's the object over here. So while we'll do personal pronouns, further it will be more clear to you how to use them. Alright. So students, you can see a table over here which has first, second, third persons and subject, object, pronoun, singular, plural forms. So who is the first person? Now the first person is someone, the person or person who is speaking. Like I am speaking to you, so I am the first person. Second person is person or person spoken to. So if I am speaking to you, so you are a second person. Now who is the third person, or who is referred to as third person? Third person is someone which denotes the person or person spoken of. So if I'm speaking about her, or I'm speaking about they or them, so they are third persons. Now let's take a look at the following examples. The first example, the presents are for you and me. Now over here, you and me are personal pronouns. You is second person and me is first person in objective form, because I am at the receiving end. So me, because these presents are for someone, for me, so me is objective. Second example, nobody will help you and me. Again, you and me are pronouns. Third, wait for hurry and me. Again, me over here is a pronoun, because me is a receiver and it is in singular objective case. Fourth, can you sing as well as them? Now over here, them is a third person, because it's denoting the person or persons spoken of. So them over here is a pronoun. I hope these examples and sentences are very well clear to you. Now coming over to demonstrative pronouns. What are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are pronouns which are used for pointing out things. Words like this, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Now, let's have a look at these examples. The first example, these are my pets. So these, I am pointing that these pets are mine. So these over here is a demonstrative pronoun. These are sheep, those are goats. So over here, these and those are demonstrative pronouns because I am actually pointing and showing to you that these sheep are mine and those are mine goats. So these are demonstrative pronouns. Third, those are horses. Again, those over here is a demonstrative pronoun. Children, now there is a third kind of pronoun which is interrogative pronoun. Now as the word interrogate means to question, so these pronouns are used to ask questions like who, whose, which, what, whom. The following examples will make it more clear. The first one being, who used all my paper? So who over here is an interrogative pronoun. Second, of these two bags, which is yours? So which, as it is asking a question. So which is an interrogative pronoun. Whose pen is this? Now whose over here is an interrogative pronoun. What is the date today? So the pronoun is what because it is asking a question. I hope students these pronouns and the kinds are clear to you.